everyone, welcome to Telfair Lofts. My name's Paige and I'm here to tell you why you deserve this beautiful floor plan. Tired of outdated appliances? Don't worry. Here at Telfair, we make sure that you receive the best state-of-the-art stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. No one should have to go to the laundromat. Do your laundry right here at home with your full-size washer and dryer. And some of our apartments even come with a beautiful lakeside view. Even the guest bedroom is fit for royalty. Three different light settings in every bathroom so that you can set the mood for that perfect bubble bath. And the C1 floor plan comes with this ginormous window that really helps expand the place. Call the number below so that you can see one of your own.